morning, guys. As you can see, the background is a bit different because I have moved to another apartment. The reason is that, as you might know, in my previous studio there were some commercial units and they were having a renovation and it was so noisy. One day it started at 6:50 in the morning. It's crazy. So my landlord, she found me this place. Actually it's her uncle's place. Before I moved in here, I thought, oh, it's just like a regular home, but no, it's in a very nice apartment building. And particularly this apartment, it has a huge living room, a huge dining room, and 3 bedrooms and 2 baths, and also a washing machine. Wow, I was so surprised. My school in Charlotte also has a similar apartment building. If they rent out for a 3-bedroom apartment, it's gonna be I think almost like $1,000, and for 1 bedroom they rent it out for around $460. Wow, so I have to enjoy my stay in here. However, it won't be long. I think it should be around a week. Once the noise is gone, then I'll move back. The place is huge, but I got nobody to talk to. But when I was in my studio, sometimes I can talk to the family and I will cook for them, and sometimes they will cook for me. Yeah, it's just nicer. For this week, suppose markets and supermarkets can only open on Monday, Wednesday, Thursday. That's what I mentioned in my last video. But the president changed the policy again on Sunday. So now markets, supermarkets, and neighborhood convenience store can open from Monday to Friday from 6 a.m. till 4 p.m. It also means that they cannot open on the weekend because this apartment doesn't provide any drinking water, and today is Friday, so I need to go to get water now. And I also need to take a look of the hard drive because my hard drive is sort of broken, and then I need to get some eye drop because my eyes are so dry and red. What else? Yeah, after I come back, I need to cook, I need to do some exercise so I can stay away from the computer for a longer time. So let's go! This is a very local neighborhood. As you can see, the convenience store has the gate. Piñata! I was trying to call Uber, but it doesn't come to my area, which is very strange because it's not so far away from the Central Park. Or unless they are not allowed to work now? I don't know. Tamalito. Seriously, sugar-free? Don't worry, you got tons of food. New sauce. Just pick up something that I can only get from the supermarket, and I also got some fruits from those local vendors. Now I'm trying to make typical Guatemalan breakfast. Okay, I'm gonna chop some onions. I have to cut it very small. Then I need to chop some tomato. I'm gonna have 2 eggs. Okay, gonna fry some onion first. And I'm gonna throw in some tomato. Meanwhile, I'm gonna make my drink. I'm boiling some milk to make hot chocolate. Now I'm gonna have the eggs. Ooh. Okay. I don't know if I should make it like a scrambled egg or to make it like an omelette. Okay. We'll see how it goes because this pan is not very good. Some sausage, traditional sausage, I think this one is called chorizo. Okay, wow, it's very thick. We cut it into pieces. Okay, I'm gonna fry that. The omelette is almost done. Well, it's not an omelette, it becomes like a scrambled egg. Okay, whatever. Share the pan, share the gas, save the energy. This one has some, how do you call that? Cinnamon? I don't know how much I need to put. Okay. Maybe this piece. Into it. Now I'm gonna add on some black bean paste. Whee! And then some deep fried bananas. I don't have the fresh one, so I just use the chips to replace it. Okay, I got my breakfast done and some tortilla. At this moment of time, I just think that it's just safer to have a pre-packed tortilla. I don't drink coffee, so I make some hot chocolate with milk, but normally I think people drink it with water here. Wow, it's very sweet. I don't taste too much chocolate, but it's very strong in, how do you call it? Cinnamon? I want to call it canela. Yeah, it's cinnamon in English. Okay. Let's have a try of the chorizo. It's good. And the egg. I didn't add any salt for the egg because the chorizo is quite salty already. And then the beans, pre-made beans. It's very smooth. I didn't make my own bean paste because it just takes forever to boil and I don't have a pressure cooker. So I just buy a small package and then the banana. It's not sweet, it's not salty, it's just crunchy. I think this is how a typical Guatemalan breakfast looks like. Yeah, if I have done anything wrong, let me know in the comment down below. Let's have some dessert. It's called Choco Banano. Oh, it looks like this. Let's open it. Oh. Outside is chocolate, inside is banana. Normally you can find it from the street. It's one type of street food in here. It's nice. Better than ice cream. Now I have to finish my choco banana and upload this video. So I'll see you guys next time. Bye!